Hello, this is Andrew Schlegel. I'm the instructor for CS 306. Welcome to Information Management. As promised, I'm going to give you a quick guide around the shell here that gives you all the information that you're going to need for this course. Generally, I post things here in the announcements section. I'm not sure if your screen looks exactly like this. I'm not totally sure what the student's screen looks like, but it should be similar. Anyway, so I post things here in the announcement, as you see so far, and also I post videos in the announcement that'll help you with their projects. So if you go back and read through these, you'll see introduction. You'll also see the schedule. I'm talking about the schedule, and then this is basically telling you about the steps to do pretty well in the class. So we'll start right here. So this class doesn't involve any lab equipment or configuration or programming, so in that sense the expectations and understanding the course is pretty easy. So what you need to do is do the assigned read-ins. Now I'll always put the assigned read-ins for the week Monday right here in the announcement, but also the read-ins are available if you go under you can go under course information. This is where I put everything that you can download. Okay, so when I make it an assignment, I'll probably go ahead and put it in here. This syllabus and this course schedule is what came to me, so I had downloaded those, made them specific for this course, and then loaded them back up. So you can just download these. Just click on it, it'll download, and then open it. Syllabus, download, open it. I'll go ahead and get this syllabus and this schedule out of the shell, but I like to leave them here for a few days in case there's any kind of changes and I need to go back and reference it, or you need to reference it. So it's there. It'll be there for a few more days. Okay, now let's go back to the announcements. Okay, so let's go. That was the read-in. The read-in is also, you can go into course modules and click on the course module. So this is basically, this module is week 1. Okay, and then this would be week 2, week 3, week 4, blah blah, you get the idea. Alright, so click on course module. That's going to give you the read-ins, and then this will actually take you right to the discussion question, which is also here. So if you click it, you'll go to the discussion question, which just click the discussion board, and this gets you in the discussion area. So right here you would ask a question. Someone's asked a question. I'll get to that here in a minute. Student introductory assignment. Looks like most of you have probably got to that by now. Your student loans are dependent on that, so that would be the first thing I'd take care of if I were you. Just go ahead and get this done. Okay, so then I'll be putting discussion questions in here for each week. This is week 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But you haven't really read anything yet, so no point in putting a question there for probably to get one up tomorrow or something. Tonight, we'll see. Alright, so you'll just click on that and you'll be in there. Okay, so let's go back to the announcements section. And we'll look again. So we did the reading. So watch any videos. I told you any videos I post will be right here in the announcement. It'll look just like this one. Okay. Post in the discussions. We talked about that. Just click up here. You got to post in the discussion each week. Basically, as long as you make a genuine effort, and it shows that you took some time and you contributed to the class, then I give you full credit. If you're talking about something technical and you happen to get some information wrong and another student corrects you or I correct you, that's fine. I'm not going to take off for that. The discussion board is to get you to participate in the class, to make you feel part of the class, to get you contribute to the class, and just to have all the students learning from each other as a group. So the discussion board is not a punishment area. As long as you're contributing and genuinely making an effort, I give you the full grade for that. Okay, so let's go back. What's left here? Okay, rubrics. So the rubrics is really the most important thing, right? So what you got to understand, one thing to understand in general about CityU is how it works is, at this point I haven't really added anything to this shell. It comes to me this way, okay? So all the instructors are going to get a shell like this. So the thing that you have to understand is if you go under assignment and tests right here, this is going to show you the projects that are due. So you see, I'm getting this. I don't define how many projects you get, and I don't define what the projects are. So it's going to be a data acquisition and coding project, generate a report on metadata. You get the idea. I think there's 4 here. And this instructor determined assignment is just going to be the discussion questions as far as I'm concerned. So you're going to have 4. So now if you read this, I'm not going to read it all to you, but basically what it comes down to is I specifically designed the project within these guidelines, okay? So in a lot of courses at CityU, when you go back under the course module, there's going to be videos. There might be some videos. There might be some reference to it. Well, this is whatever's in here is what the person that created the shell, some department manager or something like that, that's in charge of that. But when you look at the specific project under assignment and test, so I actually create the specific project. So if I'm wanting to give you more information to maybe narrow down all the information, or to give you information that maybe you haven't had in your reading material, then I put it in the announcements in a video. So if you see a video, I would say the 2 most important things is do the reading, because I make the projects from the reading assignments, and then I include a video that will help you complete that project. So maybe more than one video, a lecture, a lab, depending on whatever it takes to help you complete that project. But what you got to understand is everything I'm doing is helping you meet this project assignment that's under here. So if I'm doing something, if I'm writing something in the announcements, or I'm creating a video, or I'm attaching a video to the announcements, I'm doing it to help you complete the project, right? That's the purpose of me doing it. And since I'm the one that took this general description to make a specific project, then I'm the one that knows the information you need, because also I'm grading the project. And now we get into grading. You can read right here. I'm not going to read all these to you, but this is probably the most important thing for your grade. This establishes the guidelines of how I'm supposed to grade it, and this is exactly what I go by. So, if you do this, you get this grade generally. These are supposed to have numbers in here, but basically you're looking at A, B, C, D, and you get the idea. But I'll go ahead and add the numbers in here. They should be in here. I forgot exactly what the numbers are in these ranges, but I'll get them in there. They should have come in there. Okay, so pretty much that's going to be it for this course. Like I said, there's no projects, or there's no coding or configuration of equipment or anything. So as far as how the course will run, it should be pretty simple. So ask questions in the Q&A section. So what you did is what you did is you went to assignments and tests, okay? You read the outline here. You read how it's going to be graded. Then you can go to the course information. That's where I'm going to post the project. So I'll post project 1. There's going to be 4 of them in there. So go ahead and do project 1. Download that. It's not there yet. I'm telling you the process though. Okay? And then after that, what you want to do is, post in the discussion, read the rubrics, and then ask any questions that technical questions that you don't understand in the Q&A section. And students feel free to answer other students' questions. That's a good area for everyone to have to answer questions as well. Then you just complete the project and turn it in for a grade. So that's pretty easy. If you have any questions, just let me know. I hope this helps you out. I think this is going to be a great course. This will lay some foundation, a lot of foundation for you as you go on in your career and go on here at CityU. All right, thanks a lot.